So guys, we're back again. We will test the how to fly the crash plane. We will try it. So let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay.
So he will start there and we will start up there so we can see how he fly. Ready, set, go.
Hi. Okay. We try.
Wow,
We got try it.
he land here.
Okay.
That's awesome.
Let's try.
Next try.
Second try.
Wow,
There again.
here now. It's awesome. But we have got that design.
Up to some try.
We will try that design first.
Try.
Here again. So the first try is here, the second try is here, and the third try is here.
Okay,
So he got fly harder. So
just like
we
the
will
fourth
design
try.
that. We will design that later.
Okay,
So
this
bye.
fourth. Fourth hanggang 5:30.
The fourth try.
Okay, let's fourth try.
The fourth try is here. The fourth try is high. Is high. Is high in the TV. So
The fifth try, last try.
the last try is this. The last try he got here. So if we get here, the last try. The last try is in the clock.
Thanks
And
for watching. Comment and
bye.
subscribe.